Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Facebook. Here we go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about here Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook and you will enter here, and then you can update your app in this blue sign. So you can update your app on this blue sign, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you